Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be discussing the pros and cons of Webull and is it worth using. Let's dive right in. So as we all know, Webull is a pretty popular trading app. It is better known for its user-friendly interface and it is considered the best trading tool for beginners. But as we all know, everything has its pros and cons. For example, Webull has commission-free stock options ETF trades. It has a very easy to use platform, again, very user friendly, advanced tools, and high interest rate on uninvested cash. It has no fees for inactivity, which is very useful. One big drawback about Webull is that they have very high wire transfer fees, but not to worry, there is a way around that. Webull offers electronic transfers, or in other words, ACH transfers, which are completely free and is what most people use. Another con would be it has no mutual funds and separate app is required to trade crypto. But then again, at the end of the day, Webull is considered one of the most popular apps for trading, and the biggest impact it has is that it is very user friendly and perfect for beginners and intermediates. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.